Lactuca virosa, or wild lettuce, is a tall leafy plant with small yellow buds. Wild lettuce can be found growing in much of Central Europe, southern England, and North America. It's been used for centuries as a folk medicine, enjoying renewed popularity in the 70s as a painkiller and for its supposed recreational benefits. Otherwise known as opium lettuce, this plant does not contain any opiates and it's entirely legal. Its pain-relieving effects come from the milky white substance that it excretes, lactucarium, whose active compounds are comparable to the distilled synthetic version found in prescription painkillers. The main active compound in lactucarium is lactopicrin and lactucrin and lactucopicrin. These compounds have been found to possess analgesic activity, along with sedative activity. One study showed that 30 milligrams per kg of lactopirin is similar to a 60 milligrams per kg dose of ibuprofen. The compounds found in lactucarium work in the same way that morphine does, directly impacting the central nervous system and blunting its ability to feel pain. It's recommended by herbalists as a remedy for severe migraine, and it's especially effective for women who suffer acute pain during their menstrual cycle. The pain-relieving qualities of wild lettuce also aid in the relaxing of the body. This makes it useful in the treatment of insomnia and anxiety. It's also called a feeble opium because it doesn't upset the digestive system. However, it's said to produce a euphoric, dreamy effect, making it much easier to drop off to sleep. The sedative effect makes it especially beneficial to an overactive nervous system, and it's particularly good for hyperactive children. Wild lettuce can be used as a natural treatment for asthma and coughs. This powerful herb helps to reduce irritation of the bronchial tubes and the lungs. It's also able to loosen mucus and help with difficulty breathing that's associated with asthma. And furthermore, it can be an effective treatment for whooping cough and bronchitis. You can cut wild lettuce leaves, put half a teaspoon per cup of hot water and take up to 3 times per day. Or as a herbal tincture, 2 to 4 mils are usually taken up to 3 times a day, or as recommended by a herbal practitioner. The Egyptians used wild lettuce as an aphrodisiac, but warned that excess would then dull the brain. The Egyptian fertility god Min was also the god of magic plants. He's always pictured with stalks of wild lettuce behind him, and had an entire festival in his honour. Lettuce seed oil is still used today in Egypt for medical purposes, massage, cooking, and as an aphrodisiac. Wild lettuce pops up several times throughout history. Emperor Augustus of Rome was said to have been cured of a serious ailment by an infusion of wild lettuce. Wild lettuce can be found in ancient medicine as well as an ingredient in magical potions and magical rituals of the world. In the mid-19th century, the industrial trade of lactucarium flourished, as it was a common medicine for headaches and as a cough suppressant. The tinctures, powders, oils and pills from wild lettuce can help conditions like anxiety, breathing issues, poor sleep and joint pain. Wild lettuce is sometimes consumed by foragers who collect and eat wild plants. In addition, wild lettuce has mildly psychoactive properties, and it's sometimes used recreationally by people looking for a natural high. Wild lettuce has a history of use in pain relieving. A study in mice demonstrated that a dose between 7 and 13.5 milligrams per pound of body weight, containing lactucin and lactopicrin combined, had comparable pain-relieving effects to 30 milligrams of ibuprofen. Wild lettuce is promoted as a natural treatment for a variety of conditions aside from pain, like anxiety, respiratory conditions, menstrual cramps, arthritis, cancer, insomnia, poor circulation, restlessness, and urinary infection. Studies show that other types of sesquiterpene lactones from the Asteraceae family are effective in reducing inflammation, which may aid in certain conditions like arthritis. Additionally, some sesquiterpenes offer antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-tumor properties. In one study where 8 people ingested raw wild lettuce, some of the side effects experienced were dizziness, sensitivity to light, sweating, hallucinations, anxiety, urine retention, blurred vision, headaches, nausea, and vomiting. Because animal studies indicate that wild lettuce extract can have sedative properties, anyone taking sedatives should avoid wild lettuce supplements. Additionally, ingesting large doses of wild lettuce may cause hallucinations, which can be dangerous.